In your project, I get this will be the implementation flow. First, I have to took X-ray bone image and then MRI bone image. For that, I need to apply this or all the feature extraction and what the extraction I need to do, and from that, whatever the fusion techniques I have to apply, and finally, they are using DenseNet 121. Okay. So first I'm going to explain for X-ray images. First we imported the packages and we imported the dataset details. Okay. After that we are visualizing the networks like whatever the things. And then I am entering into non-linear filter pixel sketch, and then I'm pre-processing the images. After pre-processing I'm processing the outputs. Okay, and then again I need to process here RCNN model for future extraction. That step I am doing over here. We calculated what the feature, all those things, and then again I am entering to the calculation of each reduction edge here, and I am calculating bone structure, and then CNN multi-scale fusion techniques. Okay, so these things has been applied, and multi-scale in the sense we have to apply these are all the fusions, high and low, everything we have to calculate. So these steps I'm doing, and we calculated the outputs, and I'm entering into the DenseNet 121 train models. For the two class I trained this many. Actually it is totally 100 e-pouches, but I can't able to continue because it's taking long time. I just waited more than by from the evening to next day morning 12 o'clock, so I stopped here. But I received this 98% of accuracy. And then as per the requirements, actually I have to use 10 on above. I had shown you only for two classes, so the remaining here I'm showing for 10 classes the same things, and I'm training. And then I calculated the confusion matrix, everything. This is for X-ray images, and this is for MRI images, the same code for MRI images. Here directly I for MRI images I just received only 5 classes. All 10 I didn't receive. I can't able to get. So I define the data set, and then I'm entering the sample data set details, and I'm displaying MRI images. MRI images, this is for knee fracture. Okay. Here in this data we can get every overall fracture of the data sets, but on MRI I get only the data set for knee oriented, so I took knee oriented data set. And again the same steps which I already informed you. So first I have to apply linear and those steps, and then for RCNN. After RCNN, I have to calculate age reduction, and then I have to calculate structure of the extraction of the bone, and then multi-scale fusion of CNN. Overall, these things is completed, and then I'm entering into the DenseNet 121 with 5 classes of the training. So once the training is over, I'm calculating the accuracy. So I'm getting nearly 95% of accuracy. So you can see over here for 100 of the course, 93% of accuracy I'm getting. And then confusion matrix and classification report. This is the ROC curve for X-ray images, and this is ROC curve for MRI images.